The National Education Center at NIU is fantastic. The Osha 3095 course that I just went through was one of the best courses that I've ever had. What Bob was able to do with that course was take an abstract subject of electrical safety and actually demonstrate it so that people can understand exactly what some of these concepts are. One of the things that the course does is it does simple things like explain the difference between a GFCI and a circuit breaker. One is to protect human life and one is to protect equipment. And in the course you actually get to work with both of them and see how they work. That's something that I've never been able to do outside of this course.
I love teaching them. I love to watch the light bulb go on in their face when it finally dawns on them how this stuff really works. There's so many things that we can bring into a classroom, and in a classroom environment, make it very simple for them to understand what's right and what's wrong, what's safe and what's not safe.
This Osha 3095 class has been very informative. Bob LoMastro is a very dynamic teacher. He gets everybody involved.
One of the things that he does well is takes complex subjects and breaks them down and explains them in a way that people can understand, particularly with regard to electrical safety. His explanations of how circuits work, how power lines work, how clearance distances, his explanations of and demonstrations related to arc flash and personal protective equipment are just fantastic.
So this is a no-brainer. A metal ladder is conductive. It's just a bad thing. Wood is not conductive. However, what's the environment we're going to use this in? Oh, it's wet, it's wet. All right. Now, is fiberglass conductive? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Wait a minute, though. Where's he going to use it? Oh, it's going to be wet. What happens to the fiberglass if we get it wet? I bring my sense of humor, I bring my enthusiasm, I bring my hunger to learn more.
Most people don't understand electrical safety. Most people don't understand electricity. And he takes you on a journey from beginnings of electricity right up until the present day. He can take you from a simple 110 circuit to a power line.
One of the things that I found interesting was he put leads on either end of a hot dog and showed what would happen to our skin if we were to come into contact with electricity, and it really fit into real life scenarios.
You know, a lot of people don't understand how dangerous 110 is. Well, he actually brings that alive, and you know, with this water tank demo, you're actually able to put your fingers in water in a safe setting so you can actually feel electricity. And it's an eye-opener for many people when they actually get to feel those electrons in their hand. I've never experienced that before with another trainer.
This class is not about going through every single line of the specifications. It's concentrated on having your confidence in where to look for the information and how you're going to apply that into your workplace.
Now, we're not training electricians, or we're not training safety people to be electricians. We're training them to be able to educate their electricians to do things safer.
I would definitely take this course again, and I would take any other course that Bob LoMastro teaches, because he is a very dynamic instructor and he gets you involved, and he says things in such a way that you understand how it affects you with your job and with your personal life.
It's so simple to bring those issues to them, to change that behavior to what we would consider a safe condition or a safe practice. And to see that light up their life, to see them realize what they've done wrong and what they can do right, I mean, that's what gives me my energy.